This is my iClever portable keyboard. This is the slimmest portable keyboard I've ever used, and it's empty because the keyboard is in my bag. I bring it out with me all the time. It comes with a carrying pouch to protect it from scratches. And yes, it needs a lot of protection because it's super thin and there are lots of intricate mechanics because it's a foldable keyboard. Just look at the folding mechanics and how thin it is. They have designed it for compactness and portability. And they might have pushed this design principle a little too much because some of the keys, like question mark key and the double quote key, are located in a different position. Needless to say, we need to retrain our subconscious memory when typing these couple of keys on this keyboard. Whether if this inconvenience is worth retraining for the sake of having such a super compact foldable keyboard, I'll let you decide for yourself. Let me know in the comments down below. Apart from this minor issue, this keyboard works really well. I've never had an issue with it. The best part is, it can connect up to 3 different devices, so I easily switch between my tablet and my phone.